Is he there, Ty?
I think so. Yep, he's here.
Fish on.
First walleye of the day. Look at that. What a mess. Tanner and I were getting ready to set up to do our intro, and I look over and we got a walleye. Not very big, but we're on Lake Sakakawea today. I'm gonna get this fish back. Want to keep a couple or no?
We can go ahead and toss him.
We're on Lake Sakakawea today. And I've been gone for the last week. We got Scott with us today. Tanner and Preston are out here, and they've been grinding the last week while I've been gone, and we're finally back out on the ice, and it feels good.
Yeah, we just got set up here, and Scott's been throwing out tip ups. We've been setting up pop ups and getting poles ready, and 5 minutes we already got another fish. We're actually out here. This is day 2, and we're actually out here in the same spot as yesterday, and we're gonna try it out here for just a little bit. And so far it's going good. So if it slows down right here, we're gonna pack up and move probably a mile down the lake or so. But yeah, we'll let you guys know how it goes here, and hopefully we can keep picking up some more fish. And that is a mess. God.
Yeah, I love tip ups.
We'll get back at you guys here in just a bit. We're gonna get the shit cleaned up.
See you guys.
Hey guys, so we're sitting around here doing some hole hopping. Right now I'm sitting in 16 foot of water, and I got Ty behind me here. Ty, what's your depth? 16.8. So he's in 16.8, and then we got Scott right out here. He is, I think he's in 17, 18, 19 feet of water, maybe a little deeper. I'm gonna sit here for probably, oh, and Preston's in my house, doing some jigging in there, seeing if you can pick anything up in there. You just lost a fish. Ty just lost a fish on the tip up over here, and see what we can pick up right here and sit here for probably 15 minutes and then start moving. So flag up. Where at? Hey guys, we just got a flag up here. Wait for me! Get him! All right, Preston, you got a fish? Preston's got a fish on.
Feels nice. Doesn't want to turn. I need to do some serious exercising.
Oh my gosh.
What, you out of shape or what? Yeah. You took a lot of your line out.
Fooled you, huh?
Yeah. It was at the end, the tip up was like doing this. This is a pretty good fish. Watch it be the same one I caught yesterday.
Yeah.
Look at it, it's trying to pull it out of my hand.
You lucky bugger. Catches the biggest fish yesterday.
So it's our third flag in 15, 20 minutes here, guys.
I'm trying not
Take
to.
your time.
Yeah, I'm trying not to let him break it. Look at him.
Yeah, he's just running.
I get right to here and he's like, won't want no part of coming up to the hole. Alright, just let him run.
It says it's cold up there.
No, he says I can't breathe up there.
Come on. Come here.
Nice fish.
Nice fish.
Nice fish.
Nice fish, dude. Nice fish.
Catching slabs, baby.
Yeah, it's about as big as the one yesterday.
You lucky duck.
Take your time.
Beautiful. You just pull her up.
Big muskrat.
Oh, yeah. Sorry for lame.
Oh.
You can grab that.
Oh, you nasty cat!
Gross.
Well, at least he didn't bury it. Bury the hook.
What a freaking tank of a catfish. Jesus.
Hold that fat bugger up.
One of those little
God.
surprises that you get from time to time.
Look at him, he's trying to shock me. See?
Hold that bugger up.
I'm gonna bite you.
Look
They're
at
so
that.
slippery.
Look at that fish. It's a big cat.
It looked like a walleye
This is
coming
about
up
what
through the
we were
hole.
catching on the river. Remember, Ty?
Yeah.
Sorry
Gross.
for
No, I'm just...
sorry for holding him so weird, but he's slippery.
Slippery.
Feel him. Feel slippery,
Slime's
Tanner.
dripping off him.
He's slippery. Look at it's like looks like a giant.
Oh my gosh, look at that
booger.
slime. Get him in the water.
Not the species we're going for.
No. We want walleye.
Big fish though.
Yeah, I was surprised how big it was.
Hey, you can catch those all day, Preston.
All right, guys.
Hey,
We're enough catfishing. Enough
I caught the
catfishing.
biggest fish so far.
He did catch the biggest fish yesterday. That was a hell of a nice walleye. You guys seen that. So. Well, a little bit of excitement anyways for the morning. 3 flags, 2 fish. Let's see what else we can do. All right, over here at Ty's hole, I'm gonna check out what he's running.
All right, well, I'm using a guide series rod. It's pretty fast action. It is 26 medium light. The reel is the Shields Outfitter. Pretty nice reel. It's not too bad, but what we're dealing with today. Today I'm using the dumbbell by Tungsten, and then I'm just using a little. To me, it looks like a frog. I don't know exactly what it's called, to be honest with you, but we use it for pan fishing more up in Botnell in Lake Metagoshi. And when I was up there last year, we were doing pretty good. I caught a 5-pounder and using the same thing. So see if I can't make it happen today. Be freaking sweet.
Well, you already know what I'm using. I'm using Abu Garcia rod and reel, and I'm running my Fire Tiger rip and wrap, or jig and wrap, not rip and wrap, jig and wrap. Yeah, I think we're gonna pick up a few walleyes today, so let's freaking get her.
Nice.
It would be nice.
Which is weird because I was on a plane yesterday flying from Vegas. Had 2 Christmas parties to go to. Didn't
3.
get home until midnight. Yeah, midnight, 1 o'clock. And had to get up at 5. Someone was late. Then wake up at 5:30.
I don't know who the hell he's talking about.
Get over to Scott's at around 6:30 and on the road by 7. So it all worked out.
All right, guys. Who really cares? Let's catch some freaking walleye. Go ahead and get this bad boy back down. See what we can pick up. His honey's texting him.
Gotta love her.
Go ahead and pop this off bottom a little bit, kick some mud up down there. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I'm gonna head out deeper here. Tie's moving deeper. I'm gonna run deeper. Yeah, I think I'm gonna head out to the deepest hole we have drilled so far. Try it out there. We've only picked up one fish shallow. Probably head out here deeper. Tie's sitting in now 17 foot of water, I believe. So, see what we can get. You're not in the last hole, are you? No, you're not. Yeah. What are you running today, Scott?
Tingler spoon with a minnow.
Same old pole?
Same, yep, same thing.
Same thing as yesterday. Figure out where my next hole is. All right, tie hooked them, guys.
Are you kidding me?
That is the cutest walleye I have ever seen.
Hey, can you go grab my forceps? Oof, he inhaled this. I don't know if he's gonna live. Oof, Hey, can you grab my forceps off of my tackle box, the red ones?
I got it.
I don't know, you can try.
What weighs the hook?
I don't know.
Little guy?
Yeah, and he's got it to his.
I would say.
Oh, that was easy.
Alright, let's hurry up and get him back in there. I don't want him to die.
Guys, we're gonna get this little guy back. And a wave goodbye.
And a wave goodbye.
So Ty so far got the smallest fish of the day.
Yeah, well, that shouldn't even count.
Yeah.
Did I ask you if your fish could eat mine or not? No.
All right. Back to jigging. What do you got going on in there, Preston?
Nothing. Not even a morsel.
Not even a morsel, he says.
I don't know. I don't know getting after it that much. Right?
Me neither. I'm too busy freaking filming Ty.
Good. That's for you.
I'm getting a workout running around here. God. Early morning ice fishing cardio, boys and girls. Alright, so I just got all the way back out to my hole here and got my jigging wrap dropped down to the bottom here. I am in 21.5 foot of water here. Gonna see what I can pick up here. Give her about 15 minutes, so we'll see you in a minute or 15. Alright, so not picking up anything right here. I'm gonna head in a little shallower, see what I can get up in there. Oh my God. Preston just had a fish on and started running over there. He lost it. Anyways, I'm in here a little shallower, see where I'm at. What?
I was looking at my phone, and I checked it a couple times, and I looked down at my bopper and was gone.
He's looking at his phone and jigging it a few times, and he looked down at his hole and he runs a slip bobber on his line and looked down at the hole and the freaking bobber was just tanked. And hooked it and started reeling it, and yeah, he lost it. So that happens. See what we can pick up here. That's a hole from yesterday. That bugger's froze. Tricked me. Oh, shit. Oh, where can I go? I don't even know where our holes are. Right there. Yeah, it'll work. Let's go try that one. It's just freaking beautiful morning out. Zero wind. Just gorgeous. I mean, look at this. Just look at it. Look at this. Look at that. Look at it. Just beautiful out. Flag! Hey, that's mine, bugger! That is my turn! Oh, shit, buddy! Oh, shit, he's running hard.
Got him?
No. No.
Why not?
No. Come on, are you there? Oh, you gotta be kidding me! Really? No. I should have let him run with it. Ripped it right out of his freaking face. Dude, he was running hard. That freaking spool went, I don't know what the f it was. My guess, if it wasn't a decent walleye, it was a northern. How hard he was running, he was probably a big northern. That, I don't know if you guys seen that crap, but that little T on the top of that tip up, like 8,000 miles an hour. I don't f***ing know, this is bullshit. Alright.
Him and I were fighting over who's gonna get that flag, and I beat him to every other one, so I figured I'd be a nice guy and let him take this one. What does he do? He messes it up. Oh, well, I'm sure Tanner's already told you, but today is a beautiful, beautiful day. And I'm out of shape, so I have no wind. Yeah. Scott, he's checking tip ups. Preston, yeah, I don't know what he's doing yet. I just set up a dead stick outside since it's so nice out.
He's got that almost all the way spooled out. And there's at least, how much line is on these? 50 yards? 50 yards of line?
Probably not that much.
Either way, who gives a shit? He freaking spooled that son of a gun out. Alright, back to you, Ty.
Alright, well, we're going to get these tip ups back in order here and get them with some bait. Say hi, Scott.
Howdy.
And start catching some fish. Get right back to you here after a little bit. Hopefully we'll have a whopper that comes up through one of these holes.
Whopper contest?
I'm already winning, so whatever.
Yeah, so far I ain't doing.
See you guys.
Yeah, I'm a little upset on that one. That was BS. But that was my up. And I'm gonna start calling myself Missing Fish McGee. Ty! My new nickname's Missing Fish McGee.
What?
My new nickname is Missing Fish McGee.
Alright.
All right, we'll catch you guys in a bit. Once again, just got back to my hole. And another flag. Scott just caught a little walleye. Let's go run over and check them out. If I don't eat crap. Not very big. Yeah.
We'll let him go back.
Definitely no size, but I guess you gotta pick through the little ones to get the big ones, right?
You do.
So,
What time is it?
well, at least we're picking up a few fish here and there, so it's definitely not as crazy as yesterday, but that happens.
What time is it? Time to eat a freaking sandwich.
Ty says it's time to eat a freaking sandwich, and it's not even noon. It's like 9:30, 10 o'clock. I'm getting tired of running. Alright guys, here we are back on my hole here. Finally. I don't even know how long I've been trying to fish this. I can't even fish today. God. I guess that's a good thing. Freaking tip, my pole's froze. But yeah, I'm in 20 feet exactly right here. But yeah, pitter patter, let's get at her, boys and girls, whoever's out there watching. Catch some walleye. What'd you forget? Alright, so Ty was just talking about eating a frickin' sandwich because he's obviously a hungry boy. And he didn't bring any lunch. Your biggest mistake right there. You want to be going no hungry. You, Mir! No, hey you! What? Mir! Broughton, Mir! No, you, Mir! Oh, what they got going on over there. Probably gonna eat my food. Just we gotta start catching some fish and put them on the heater. Put them on the heater. Yeah, no. No. Freaking burn the shit out of them. Stretching. This hard ice feels just great on the old knees, you know? You know what I'm saying? Need to start wearing some knee pads. That'd be a hell of an idea. Oh, guys, I think if we don't keep picking up some fish here, or didn't make any sense. I think if we stop picking up fish here, probably head down. There's some red scoria bluff over there, and there's some big boulders kind of coming down into the water there. Can't remember what the structure is. I know that point, but can't remember the structure, but maybe pick up some fish over on there. It's worth a try, you know. Gotta move, gotta move. Catch the fish. Yeah. I just need a big old walleye. I want to see this pole go. Bam! God, that'd be sick. I wouldn't know what to do. Probably lose it. But here I am, talking to a camera. Yeah. Oh, this shit's fun. I love it. It's all good. Yeah, we'll see what we can pick up here, guys. Hopefully we can get into some good fish today. But anything's better than nothing, right? So, catch you guys here in just a little bit. Flag! I was just getting ready to head in here. and get some food because Ty talking about food. Now I got hungry. I was just talking mad too on him. Anyways, we just had a flag up. Scott's gonna go ahead and grab this one since I can't seem to hook one. So yeah. Take my time getting over here because I don't want to run no more. Is he running? Alright, we're gonna go ahead and get over here. So that's a good fish, hopefully.
All that much size.
Well, it's not huge, but like I say, it's better than nothing.
Just barely had it.
Bloop. Nice. Yeah, cool. Go ahead and get him in the water and go eat some food.
Get him back to work.
And a wave goodbye. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and eat some food because I'm hungry. Yeah. I don't know what else, so I'm hungry. So. Hey boys, we got a flag over here. It just wind? It burnt this out of my face. Got him?
Hooked up.
Huh?
Hooked up.
Hooked up, boys. Hooked up. Real hooked outdoors. Real hooked outdoors. Get him, get him, get him.
Yeah, nice fish.
There we go. That's what we're looking for. Not huge, but hey, he will do. That's the first fish in 30 minutes. We were just talking about packing up and moving. I think we still might about 11 o'clock, but hey, you never know. It might start picking up here, so. What do you think of that, Ty?
Hey, I was just getting set up in the house. I moved and seen the old flag go up. Gotta yell to the boys. Pretty nice fish. You guys want to keep him?
No, we can go ahead and put him back. We can go ahead and put him back.
All right. Look at that beauty.
Stuck in the hole sideways.
There we go.
In a wave goodbye. All right, guys, that's what we're looking for. It's kind of a here and there bite, but I think we might still pack up at 11, Ty, and head down. Head and maybe hit that first scoria there.
I mean, whatever works. I mean, if we're gonna start getting hits, I mean.
And we might start getting hits, but we'll see.
I mean, like I said, give it 20 minutes. Give it until 11. If we catch fish between there, we'll stay until 12.
I just moved out there. I just put the house out there, and I'm gonna do some jigging. So.
How thick is it there?
Right there?
Yeah. One spot out there was like 7 inches yesterday.
Yeah, it's not that deep. It's like maybe 8.5, 9.
Yeah, we'll see what happens. Maybe wait her out a little longer. Let's hope we can start picking up some fish here. So we'll get back at you guys here in a bit. Hey guys, so we haven't picked anything up again here in just a little bit. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and pack up really quick. And I guess we haven't really decided what direction we're gonna go, but I'm thinking it's gonna be down here to those scorias, that first section of scorias I was talking about. There's some rocks coming down in the water, so we'll probably head over there. I'll let you know when we get to where we're going, to where we ended up. So yeah, hopefully we can pick up some fish wherever we end up here. So yeah, it just kind of shut off here. We were here yesterday, and you guys seen it. I mean, just picking them up left and right, and we should be getting them right now, and nothing. So we're gonna go ahead and probably hopefully head down there and try to pick up some walleye there, so, or whatever we catch. So hey guys, so we just got set up in our new spot out here. Me and Scott are over here sitting in 15 and a half feet of water, and then we're running a few tip ups out to 19 feet of water, 15 and 19 feet of water. And then we got Preston and Ty right over here, and I believe they're sitting in 17 feet of water. Ty just pulled in a smaller walleye, but That is a start. Just got here and already caught a fish. And actually, when we were leaving our last spot, there was 2 sleeper walleyes on our tip-ups when we were pulling them up. So, I mean, we're catching fish, but hopefully we can start getting into some size here. There's definitely some structure here, so see what we can pick up. I'm gonna get in here and do some jigging. Got Scott in here already, so and we are already set up and we are ready to rock and roll. Alright, so I just heard my name being called for camera, so never mind. What happened?
This Booger house over here. But by the time Ty was waiting for you to get here, he lost it.
Alright, so that's what we're doing. We're gonna move the house over. They keep picking up fish. Ty actually just lost one, so we're gonna get out there. See if we can't pick up some fish. Alright, never mind. Going back over here 5 seconds later. He's got another fish on.
Hungry.
Dropped it down and hit it again. Here you go.
You guys need to move your house over here.
We will.
Because we've been
A couple fish
we've
down
been
there.
jigging it a bunch. We've been jigging like crazy. And we've
Pretty
been,
Nice.
so
Sitting there yapping with Preston, and I get a thunk. This is what we did, and then I missed it, and actually I didn't miss it. I reeled it up, and then it came off, and then I seen it was still on the screen, and I let him back down and got him.
Beautiful fish. Yeah, we'll go ahead and get over here. Go ahead and get that fish down that hole. Yeah, how long is he?
18 and a half.
Alright, cool.
must have been some
Get him back down that hole there.
Yeah, at least one what we caught yesterday. Down.
Alright, see you guys in a second. We're gonna hurry up and get our freaking house over here so we can catch some fish.
I thought there was the wind was blowing your tent away, because all I see is the tent waddling past us. And here Tanner comes sticking his head out. Are you serious?
Hey guys, we have a flag up over here finally. Like, it's been an hour or more since we've had a fish. So we're gonna go ahead and check this, and we're actually gonna probably call her quits for the day because of that reason. So let's get over here and check this out, see what we got. Scott's gonna go ahead and pull this one up if it's a fish. You there? No? Alright, no fish there. I don't know what the heck the deal is here. We just had Preston's friend just came by in his side-by-side about 30 minutes ago, and he said that it's slow everywhere right now, which is just crazy because we were pounding the hell out of them yesterday. So I don't know what the deal is. Try again next weekend, I guess. We're gonna plan on trying to get over to Lake Audubon here soon. That is over by Bismarck, North Dakota. So here's that. So we're gonna try to make a trip over there, and hopefully a couple trips. We'd like to get over to Devil's Lake this year, do some fishing out there too. And
We already plan on going somewhere else.
yeah, and what's that lake? Botno. Lake Metagoshi, as Preston was, or Ty was talking about this morning. So, but yeah, I mean, see what happens here in the next couple weeks. We're gonna try to get out there though. Yeah, you got anything to say, Ty?
What?
You got anything to say?
Are you doing the outro?
Yes! Yeah!
No!
No. It's just, it's been a pretty slow day. We got a lot of fish. That's for sure. Nothing too big today. A lot of it was, you know, your 16 to 18 inches, but I mean, it's still fun. Whenever you can get outside and do this, if you've never been doing it, come out and I guarantee you'll have a good time. But
Yeah, guys. Like I said, we're gonna try to get to Lake Audubon, Lake Metagoshi, Devil's Lake. I mean, we want to go all over the place, so there's gonna be more opportunities for big fish and
Maybe even try the river ones.
river. Yeah, river. That'll pick up here. Well, it's already going right now, but the ice.
I don't know about Ty. He might stay home, but
The ice is way too thin out there
No.
right now.
it's 6 inches.
It is now. All right. Well, last weekend it was 2 inches. But anyways,
still not picking up for me.
Oh, you chicken.
he's scared. But yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time on Real Hook Outdoors. Yeah, guys, we'll see you next time on Real Hooked Outdoors.